Alright, what's up everyone? In today's video we're gonna have a look at euro dollar. It is 1st of August and it's Monday, the beginning of the week. So just checked out what's going on, what setups we have, and this video was sent to our premium channel just about half an hour ago. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna focus on euro dollar today, and to be honest, not much has been going on here on this pair. We've been trading sideways for the past couple of weeks since 19th of July, I believe, and price hasn't been making any higher highs or any lower lows. Every time it tries to break below its support, it comes back to the upside immediately. And like I said, it's been trading in a range for quite some time now. So what I'm expecting is basically the same thing I was expecting last week. Now, if we go over to the 4-hour time frame, we zoom out a little bit, what we see is that we are trading in a massive downtrend. So when we have such a clear trend direction in the market, we can only expect for price to continue in that same direction. So that means we're going to be looking to take a short trade here on euro dollar. Now the thing is, there's a couple of options. What I talked about previously was price, potentially coming up to our sell zone, which starts right around 1.0360 up to around 1.04, and that's really where I expected to see the market, reversing to the downside. So that was my initial idea, to take a sell trade from around those levels, right around 1.04. However, then we enter this, range. Price tried a few times to break above its resistance, but every time it fails, right? So what we are seeing right now is another push to the upside. So the second option to enter this trade here is if we see that the market is not going to be able to break above that resistance again, and that would mean that we're probably heading down to the bottom of the range. So let's say if we do see the market coming up here and leaving a nice rejection wick but closing below this range, so something like this type of candlestick pattern, or if we do see, let's say, an engulfing bearish candle to the downside, then that's gonna mean that we're probably heading to the downside. And so we can then look to take a sell trade up here from the top of the range. Now, although I am expecting for price action and for basically for the market to continue even lower and eventually create lower low, this is not going to be my target. If I do take a sell trade from the top of the range, I'm only going to be targeting the bottom of the range. So let's say right around the 1.01 level is where I'm going to be looking to take to exit that short trade if I do enter up here. Now, in case I see that the price, is gaining momentum, gaining strength, and it actually breaks below that level right here, then I can extend my targets down to, the parity values around 1.0 or even lower, right? Because I'm going to be expecting that once we, break below that range, we're actually heading down to create lower values. But like I said, it is more conservative, and it does make more sense to actually, exit your trade down here if you see that price is struggling to break below the support of the range. Okay, so what's gonna happen if we actually see the market breaking above its resistance? Well, if we see a clear breakout to the upside here, then we can expect for price to come and retest that sell zone that I just mentioned a minute ago, right? So then that would mean I'm gonna be looking to take a sell trade from up here inside of this sell area. Now, what you need to pay attention to though is that we may see a fake out here. So like I said, we could see that price is trying to break above, but by the time this candle closes, it comes back down here and closes down here. Like I said, this is probably the best entry signal, because you can then use a stop loss just above that reversal. And like I said, we're going to be targeting the lows down here first. If price actually gains momentum and there's a lot of bearish pressure in the market, we can then extend those targets down to the next support level. All right, so we'll see how that's gonna go. Recently we've had interest rate decisions for the US dollar, for the euro as well, but what we've been seeing is that the market is trading sideways, and that's why my initial idea for a push off of that resistance zone up here I'm not really sure if the market will have enough strength to come all the way up here. So that's why I'm actually looking to possibly take a sell trade from around 1.02. Or 0.3. All right, so hope that makes sense. We'll see how that's gonna go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There's videos like this coming out pretty much every other day. Leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this setup? Do you trade euro dollar yourself? And by the way, don't forget to join our email newsletter, because every Monday I'm sending out an email to everyone who subscribes. And one of the trades that I sent out last Monday, was this short trade on Aussie yen, and it was before I took that trade. So for everyone who's been subscribed since last week or before that, everyone saw this trade coming up. So I know a lot of people actually managed to enter that trade as well, and realize some nice profits here. All right, so there's going to be links in the description below this video. Make sure to check them out, and also join our free Telegram channel to find even more trading related content. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.